2112. Controls. Links. Headings. Default. 20. Controls. Links. Headings. Paragraphs. 20. Unlabeled button. Screen off. 2112. Device unlocked. No notifications. VIVO home screen. Home screen 1. Double tap to activate. Double tap and hold to long press. Settings. Double tap to activate. Settings. Settings. Double tap to activate. More settings. In list 43 items. Double tap to activate. More settings. Double tap. VPN. In list 28 items. Double. Accessibility. Double tap to act. Accessibility. Accessibility. Double tap to activate. Talkback on. Speak items on screen. Double tap to activate. Talkback. Talkback. Double tap to activate. Enlist 4 items. Double. Talkback. Tap OK to stop the operation of talkback. OK button. Double tap to activate. Talkback off.